Welcome students to our discussion on metals and non-metals. So far we have been discussing about various physical properties of metals and non-metals. Now we will look into the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. What are chemical properties? Chemical properties are the properties that can be measured or observed only when matter undergoes chemical change to form a new kind of matter. In this, we will be understanding the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen, water, acids and bases. First, let us look into the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Let us begin with reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. These oxides are basic oxides. You have already learned acids and bases previous year. Here the metal oxides that are formed are basic in nature because they react with water to form bases. Let us understand this with an experiment. This you have already learned in grade 7, the chapter Physical and Chemical Changes, about the process of rusting. Iron, which is left open, reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air to form rust. Here iron is reacting with oxygen and moisture and is forming ferrous oxide, that is nothing but the rust. Let us check the nature of the rust. If we dissolve a spoonful amount of rust in a very small quantity of water and test the solution with red and blue litmus papers, we can see that red litmus turns blue. With this, we can say that metal oxide is basic in nature. Let us look into one more example. This experiment also you have done in previous year with the magnesium ribbon. When magnesium ribbon is burnt in the presence of oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. You have also seen that some ash is collected. If this ash is taken and mixed with some water in a beaker and tested with red and blue litmus papers, we see that red litmus turns blue. With this, we can say that the metal oxides that are formed when metal reacts with oxygen are basic in nature. This is the magnesium ribbon that burns, forming a ash. Metals like sodium and potassium react vigorously with oxygen at room temperature to form sodium and potassium oxides. This is about the reaction of metals with oxygen. Let us see the reaction of non-metals with oxygen. How do non-metals react with oxygen? Non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. These oxides are acidic oxides because they react with water to form acids. We have seen metal oxides are basic in nature, but non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Here we will take the example of sulfur. Sulfur, when reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. This gas, when it gets mixed with water, it forms sulfurous acid. We will understand this whole thing with an experiment. Take a small amount of powdered sulfur in a deflagrating spoon, in a spoon that is shown here, and heat it. Sulfur starts burning. Introduce the spoon into a glass jar. Cover it with a lid tightly. We can see that sulfur, when it is burned, it reacts with oxygen to form sulfur oxide. Slowly open the lid, add some water into the jar and close the lid tightly. The gas gets mixed up with the water. Now Can you guess the nature of the solution that is formed? If we take the solution and dip red and blue litmus paper into it, we can see that blue litmus turns red. This is because non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Here SO2 reacts with water H2O to form sulfurous acid. This is about the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Try some more equations that are given here. Try to complete these. Sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Complete these equations. You can also refer your textbook, and then if you have any queries or doubts, you can check with the teacher. Also see the link for some of the experiments that are you can understand practically. Complete the assessment sheet provided in the end. So with this, we completed reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. In the next class, we will understand reaction of metals and non-metals with water. Thank you.